Now that you have OneNote installed on all your devices, you need to know how to get OneNote open on that device in our class notebook. So if you go to your particular Google Classroom site and you click on classwork at the top, you'll see two links. We want the student link for you students, and you're going to click on that link. Now, that link I'm going to open up in a different window of mine so that I have my Rebuff account signed in. It's going to ask you to sign into your Rebuff account. We're just going to play like we already are. So what should happen is that it should open OneNote.com, which is the website version of OneNote, within your browser window. Might take a minute or two to open because it's actually loading an entire version of the app itself within your window. While this is neat, this is not quite what we want to do on a daily basis. We actually want to have it synced within the app itself. So if you are on a PC, you're then going to hit Open an App. It's going to come up with a window asking you maybe a question or so about we're opening this, or do you want to open this? If it gives you the option of two different versions of OneNote, we want the one that is OneNote for Windows 10. And what I mean by that is many computer installations will actually have two different versions of OneNote. We want the one that's OneNote for Windows 10. That is the app version, and is far, far quicker than the other one. Mac, it's just going to look slightly different, but be about the same thing. So if I go to this and I hit, let's do pre-calculus, for instance, classwork, and I'll go to the student link, I am going to copy that link and paste it into a browser window where I already have myself logged in. So I need to switch accounts here to my work one. And then I'm going to paste this. You probably don't even need to do that. You just need to actually click on it, and you can go ahead and log in with your Rebuff account. But this is logged in already. And this is just the view on a Mac. Very, very, very similar. In fact, I'll full screen it for you so you get an idea. And you also see this Open an App here. On a phone, that Open an App might actually say Edit in Browser. And if you see that, it's the same idea. The first time you hit that, if you have the app installed, it should switch over and open it in the app just fine. It may ask you a question, or are you sure? Just click through that. But that can be a quick way to open it. Now, if I have any parents watching this, or for parents, the parent link is a link to OneNote.com, but this is only my content library that's visible. They can't see any of the student sections, and that's just so parents or anyone else can follow along with what we're doing. Okay?